Hi, Rising Star. We are in our Piano Adventures book. We are in our lesson book primer level, and we're going to play I Hear the Echo. Now, we are first going to talk about dynamics. Dynamics are what give your pieces of music interest. So our first two dynamics are forte, which is a symbol of an F, and piano, which is a symbol P. And the reason we have these two things is because our piano used to be called, many, many years ago when it first was built, it was called the pianoforte, because this instrument could be played very softly, piano, or very, very loudly, like a lion's roar. And the piano that came before a real piano was called a harpsichord. And with a harpsichord, everything sounded the same. The notes were different, but you could never play it loud or soft. It was always the same dynamic all the time. Now, a harpsichord is beautiful, but it is nice to be able to play two different types of dynamics. So, on this piece of music in your book, what you want to do is go through and circle all the F's for forte and all the P's for piano. When you're in the area of the song that is a forte, like from here to here and from here to here, you're going to play loudly. When you get to this section, this is where you're going to play softly. Okay, so let me play this for you. I'm just going to play it so you can hear the dynamics of loud and soft. Here we go. So that's how you play loud and soft. And with this being an echo, you know, when you yell something, it's really loud, but when you hear the echo, it's much softer. So that's what this is going to be imitating. Okay, let's go through and let's play our finger numbers first. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, now let's go through and let's play with our super beats using our beat and melody melon. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 beat. Melon, melon, beat, 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 melon, melon, beat, 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 melon, melon, beat, 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 melon, melon. Okay, so in this exercise, I want you to look for the rhythm pattern of 4 quarter notes and circle them, and then the rhythm pattern of the half notes and circle those. And don't forget to circle your F's and your P's. Have fun.